Hello there and welcome back to Chronically Overdressed. I'm Christine the Glambassador. Today I'm going to show you this really simple hairstyle that I could have sworn I've done a hair tutorial on before, but clearly I haven't. I did do one on my blog that was just kind of a pictorial, but it's a lot easier if I can show you on video. So that's what I'm going to do today. It's a hairstyle that I do quite often, especially in the spring and summer when I want to get my hair off of my neck. And it's essentially 3 messy buns that are just kind of morphed together using a lot of bobby pins. And the great thing about this style is you can pretty much do whatever you want with the front part of your hair. You can section it off a little bit more and do a more of a half up, half down, or you can incorporate it into the little messy buns on the side the way that I've done today. For tools today, I'm just using my normal array of brushes. A lot of bobby pins are going to be used, and I use these little hair ties. They're just very small elastic hair ties, and I find that these work better than a larger, like a thicker hair tie, but use whatever works for you. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm working on about day 5 of pretty dirty hair, and as you can see I have a little bit of a wave still in the front, so that's really what I'm going to work with for the front part of this hairstyle. This style does really work best when you have a little bit of curl in your hair, but even if you have gone, 4 or 5 days from your set, this should work really well. For the front portion of my hair, I'm just going to do a simple twist, and I'm going to secure it just right behind my ear with 2 bobby pins, and I'm going to crisscross those so they are the most secure. And I'll do the same for the other side, just a quick and simple twist and secure right behind the ear with 2 bobby pins. And for the back, we're going to separate the hair into 3 sections. I'm going to start with the right side, and I'm just pulling it back and incorporating, making sure that that hair from that twist is absolutely included in that side. And using the small elastic, I'm going to go ahead and put it into kind of a ponytail. I'm going to wrap it around twice. But on the 3rd wrap, I'm not going to pull the hair all the way through. I'm going to leave it halfway done. And now I'll move on to the left side and making sure that I'm incorporating all of the hair that I've twisted back, and I will finish up with the center section. Now I'll take that section of hair that wasn't incorporated into a ponytail, and I'll bring that up around to kind of cover the elastic and just start pinning it with bobby pins until it feels comfortable and it starts to create that messy bun look. I also start to take small sections of each bun and pin them together, and this really creates that one cohesive piece in the back. I do the majority of this by feel, just feeling for any holes or sections that I feel like need to be connected. And honestly, I'm just pinning and pinning and pinning. So many bobby pins go into this hairstyle. Once I feel like everything is good, I will double check with my mirror, and I'm really just kind of, checking for holes, checking for any loose hairs, seeing where I need to, put those buns together. But I'm really just wanting to make it look as complete and cohesive as possible. And using my rat tail comb, I will just gently comb everything down. Since we did separate things into 3 sections, this just kind of helps blend everything together so it does look like one complete piece. And here's the finished look. The great thing again about this style is you can do whatever you want with the front portion of your hair. You can change things up. You can even add some flowers to the back of your hair. If you feel like you want a little bit more security, you can add a hairnet to this. It's a really wonderful and very versatile style. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful for you. I will see you again very soon. Bye.